Hello everyone! I'm going to show you today one of the best pieces of software that you can install on your PC, and it's completely free. It's a software that I have been using for as long as I can remember. I think I started using it with Windows 98, and it's something that is really going to help you out to clean your system and to keep things more tidy in your PC. So let's check it out, but first a word from our sponsor of today's video. Keyfans. On Keyfans.com, you can find cheap OEM license kits for Windows 10 and 11, Microsoft Office, and even games. By clicking on the link in the description, you will get an additional discount up to 62%. Stop paying an absurd amount of money for your keys and head to Keyfans.com, add your desired software to your cart. You can buy it using PayPal or credit card and enjoy the promotion. Thanks Keyfans.com for sponsoring this video. To start with the tutorial, go into the description down below, and on that way, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Now, there you're going to find a link to the website of Ccleaner. Now, you have three different versions of it: the free, the professional, and the professional plus, that you can use it for up to 3 PCs. Now, we're going to be using for this video the free one. It's going to lack a lot of things, but the 3 ones that are free are really good. So you want to scroll down until you see free download, click on it, and it's going to start downloading the Ccleaner. Once you have it downloaded, you can open your downloads folder and double-click into the file right here. In my case, this is the Ccleaner version 6.04, but depending on the time that you're looking at this video, this could be a newer version. Click into Install. Once the setup is done, you can uncheck the mark to view release notes if you don't want to see them, and click into Run Ccleaner. Now this is going to get Ccleaner ready for you, and it's going to scan a little bit of your system. When Ccleaner free is ready, you want to click into continue. It's going to offer you a promotion of an antivirus. If you don't want to have it, I don't use them, you want to decline this offer. And you want to start the Ccleaner. Now you can click right here on the first screen to start a PC health check. Click into start and wait a couple of minutes, depending on your system, until this is done. Well, as you can see on my system, your PC feels under the weather, so they find some issues to resolve. As you can see right here, these have found 12,834 trackers to remove. These are mostly cookies from websites that you visit, some 167.8 megabytes of junk, of files that you don't really need. And these 2 options, they are the Pro version, so you are going to need to purchase for that. You can also do a trial version to test them out before you purchase it. Now you want to click into Make It Better. And this is going to fix all the problems that Ccleaner find in your system. Now after that is done, what I recommend you guys is to go right here where you see Registry and to click into Scan. Now you can see they have found a bunch of problems with the registry of Windows in my PC. So you want to do is to select them all. This problem is really secure, you are not going to have any problems with it. And you want to click into Review Selected Issues. Now, do you want to back up the registry before making changes? It's something that I really recommend that you do, just in case this mess something up. Normally it should not, but it's better safe than sorry. Click into Yes. Put any name that you want and save it in the folder that you prefer. Click into Save. Now you want to click into Fix All Selected Issues. Now, as you can see, everything is fixed. You can close this window right here. Now you can go, if you want to, into Driver Update. Click into Continue. It's updating safe and how it does work. And now scan your drivers. This is going to look all the parts that you have installed in your PC and to search for the latest drivers. As you can see right here, these have found 5 drivers that are newer version of what I have right now in my system. Now the problem with this is that you cannot use these features if you are not using the Pro version. But what you can do is to check all of the drivers that you are missing and to search it yourself if you don't want to pay for the Pro version of Ccleaner. Performance Optimizer, again, this normally you don't really need it, and it's also in the Pro version. And Custom Clean, In here, you can select everything that you want that is clean. If you don't want to, for example, you don't want some recycle bin items to be clean, you can uncheck it right here. And as well, I need some applications like Google Chrome or Brave browser. That is one web browser that I recommend you guys. I've just made a video about it, so go and check it out. And that is pretty much it, guys. This software is going to help you out to keep your system a little bit cleaner and a little bit more snappy. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.